We have a rare, documented, certified, investment grade 68 Z28 Rally Sport right here. This car is for sale. You can go to volocars.com, see the pricing, all the specs, photos top to bottom, and there's a few hundred more collector cars for sale as well with all the same pricing, pictures, videos. Plenty of ways to contact us. We have a whole staff of people working to service, prepare, market these cars, and we're here to answer your questions, help arrange the shipping, the financing, talk you through the whole process. So on our website, volocars.com, plenty of ways to contact us. We can set up shipping, financing, anything you need to get it done. Let's take this Z for a spin. This isn't just your typical run-of-the-mill car. This is certified by Jerry MacNeish. He is the Camaro guru. His certification says that this is a real Z28. The rear end and transmission were born to this car. It is a numbers match engine, a correct engine, but it has been restamped. It does match the car, but someone did restamp it. But it is a proper, correct motor with lots of original, correct features on this car. It's a red car according to the tag, no vinyl top, beautiful slick paint. Matter of fact, you don't even feel the stripes. Obviously a spoiler, bumper guards. Now the Rally Sports, they put the reverse lights down here instead of there. This all looks like brand new. The stainless moldings are beautiful. The trim up here is part of the Rally Sport trim. That's all polished and beautiful. Metal door edge guard, that's an option. Door jambs are slick. The weather strip, the latches, the sill plates, it's all in beautiful shape. Has 5 reproduction Goodyear tires. Even the spare matches. 15-inch rallies. They're 15-inch only on the Z28. Like I said, it's a rally sport. A lot of people say in general that adds $10,000 to a Z28. Motor compartments all detailed and beautiful. Spring clamp battery cables, the right GM hoses and clamps. It has a smog equipment on there. And a lot of the dates and codes are listed on our website, but it has the correct alternator, carburetor, valve covers, the factory paint markings on the firewall, deep groove pulleys. That little motor can sing. It goes high RPMs and the belts would fly off. So you have deep pulleys. It's all correct under there. Interior is immaculate. It's got the full console with the gauge package, tachometer, reproduction floor mats, original AM radio. It's got a deluxe steering wheel, the right shifter with the chrome ball. Trunk compartments, clean as a whistle. Has the full jack assembly. Like I said, the tire matches and the wheel matches the others. Painted beautifully, nice weather strips. All the knobs, the lenses, all beautiful shape. Has the right seat belts in there. It's a tilt column too. This would be considered loaded for a Z28. Correct exhaust system. I noticed when I pulled it in, it was a little loud. The muffler, someone caught it on the lift or something. We will replace the muffler. It won't be this loud. To give you an idea though on how good it runs. Check out the pictures on our website. It's a body off the frame restoration. I'm guessing it's about 10 years old. We're going to detail it a little bit better underneath there, but it's beautiful. 373 posi rear end, original to the car, original Muncie 4-speed trans. The Z28, that was pretty much a factory race car. And if you notice, there's no Z28 emblems anywhere, inside or out. It wasn't until later on in '68 they started calling these Z28s. Also, when you open the glove box door, there's a sticker on what tire pressure, air pressure to put in the tires. And it refers to the 15-inch wheels. Only the Z had a 15-inch wheel. So that original sticker helps verify this is a real Z28 car. Not that it needs it, because Jerry MacNeish has certified it, and he's considered, you know, the guru, the expert. So we've got an excellent investment quality Z28 loaded with options, red, certified, numbers match. I don't know what more you could ask for. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're getting new cars in all the time. And go to our website and check this car out and all the others we have for sale. Thanks for watching.